In the automotive community, the word ultimate gets thrown around quite a bit. Ultimate Pro Tours, ultimate sports cars, ultimate street rides. But perhaps no niche owns the word better than the off-roading crowd. And ultimate is certainly a fitting descriptor for this incredible 1984 Land Rover Defender. The story of classic Land Rovers is much akin to the stories of classic Jeeps and Land Cruisers. It can be hard to find one that hasn't been driven hard and put up wet. That means when you do find the rare examples, like this choice Defender, it's always best to drum up a detailed ground-up restoration. This 110's documented bodywork, which included new glass and an upgrade to galvanized push-button doors, looks great behind a slick coat of Audi Nardo Gray 2-stage. The truck's form has been supplemented with a custom powder-coated exoskeleton that plays well with an array of recovery tools, a worn winch, and LED lights. When you step up to this level, trucks are all about combining the best elements of comfort and utility. The stars of the show are heavy-grain leather Defender seats that feature custom double diamond stitched inserts. A leather-wrapped dash hangs factory gauges next to a customized center gauge panel that props VDO accessory gauges. A lockable center console protects a Bluetooth-capable JVC unit that, in addition to providing a display for the backup camera, powers custom-mount speakers. And this Defender's driver rules the road through a simple Land Rover-branded steering wheel. Most serious trucks employ some form of diesel technology, and this 110 is no exception. The 3-liter mill is an intercooled turbo diesel 4-cylinder that's utilitarian and efficient. Power is transferred through a 5-speed manual and is capable of going to all 4 wheels. Ultimate trail walker or ultimate cruiser that's guaranteed to start a conversation? We'll let you decide, but either way, there's no arguing the appeal of a diesel Land Rover. Well built and ready to conquer the world, it's a cool and equally exclusive collectible. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.